Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this, firstly you will have to get yourself a tool like this, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to remove cover slightly, then take this tool and put it inside this hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here on this side you have SIM 1, and on second side you have SIM 2. So let's insert our SIM 1, just like this. And then we put it back into our device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.